Hey, what's up, dude? Oh, okay. Let's see what happened here. Like everybody, I saw everybody using this stupid pistol talent. I mean, really, they should remove this pistol talent on PvP, dog, because it is so annoying as heck. Look, when they're gonna die, when they wanna die, they're always running like that with those pistols. Come on, devs. Remove this pistol, man, from PvP. And running with the foam as well. Holy bro, can you imagine that? Running with those pistol and foam is still getting smashed? Well, GG, bro.